In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your site on Google Sites. If you've previously published a site and now want to take it offline so other people can no longer access the live version, Google Sites makes that process very straightforward. Unpublishing is useful if you're updating content, removing outdated information, or simply no longer want the site visible on the web. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click. To begin, open your Google site. Make sure you're on the site you want to remove from public view, and that you are in the editing interface rather than just viewing the published version. This is important because the unpublish option appears inside the site editor. Once you've opened the correct site, take a moment to confirm that it's the one you actually want to unpublish, especially if you manage more than one website in Google Sites. Next, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Publish button. Beside that button, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open additional publishing options. This menu gives you more control over your site's visibility beyond the standard publish action. If you don't immediately notice the arrow, just look carefully next to the main Publish button, since it can be easy to miss at first glance. After opening that drop-down menu, click on Unpublish. This is the option that removes the live version of your site from public access. Once selected, Google Sites may ask you to confirm your choice, depending on your setup. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it and proceed to finalize the action. After that, your site will no longer be available at its published web address. Keep in mind that unpublishing your site does not delete the site itself. Your content, pages, images, and edits remain saved inside Google Sites, so you can continue working on it privately whenever you want. This makes unpublishing a great option if you're planning to relaunch the site later or make changes before putting it back online. And that's all it takes to unpublish your site on Google Sites. Open your site, click the downward arrow next to Publish, and choose Unpublish. It's a quick process and a helpful way to manage when your website is visible to others.